Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into Shopify Metafields and how you can manage them using Node.js. So let's start setting up Shopify client using your API credentials. So if you don't know how to set up this dev environment, you can check my other videos. So let's create the Metafield first. So I will type create a Metafield. For that we need a function const create Metafield, and that will be a sync function, and we will be passing product underscore ID new function, and here we will have a try catch block, and in the catch block we will type console.log error creating meta field, and we will pass the error. In try block we will create a variable const metafield is equal to await and Shopify dot Metafield dot create function, and in this function we will pass the properties of Metafield. Namespace would be custom, and key would be size chart, and we need a value would be large, and then we need type would be single underscore line underscore text underscore field, and owner resource would be product, because we are going to create the product Metafield, and owner ID would be product underscore ID. Here we will console.log created Metafield, and we will pass the Metafield here, the response we will get. So let's run this function, create Metafield and pass the product ID. We can get the product ID from our store, and let's select this product and copy the ID and paste that over here. Open the terminal and type node app.js, because my file is app.js. Press enter, and we have successfully created the Metafield. So let's check that Metafield and reload the product page. And go to the Metafields and view all. Click on view definitions, Metafield without definition, and this is the custom size chart. We have this field, and if you go back here, and you can view that in here. We have the Metafield and the value. So next, we are retrieving the list of the meta fields related to a specific product. So how we can fetch the meta fields? Let's commit this and type a new function. Close the terminal for a moment. So next we will retrieve a list of meta fields. So we need a function const get meta fields, and that would be a sync function. And here we will pass string product ID, and we will have a try catch block and a try conditional block here. And in the try block, we will create const fields, or you can say meta fields, and we will type the function await Shopify.Metafields Metafield dot list, and here we will pass the object Metafield and owner ID. Owner ID will be product underscore ID, and owner resource would be product. And once we get these meta fields, we will console.log meta fields, and we'll pass the meta fields out. So let's run this function get meta fields, and we will copy same ID, same product ID, and let's see how many meta fields we have there. Open the terminal and type Node.js. Okay, we missed the arrow function here, so let's add that and run this file again. And you can see we have one meta field which has a value, meta field custom and size chart, and value is large. And we add still more here. Okay, max amount 10, and product rating is 5, and 1, 2, 3. So let's save that and try to get the meta field again. And this time we have more meta fields. This one, size chart and custom max amount, and the average rating, and the StockX product batch ID. So this way you can fetch the product meta fields. Now next, retrieve a specific meta field. How we can fetch a specific meta field? For example, I would like to fetch this meta field. So how we can do that? Okay, so let's write a new function. Retrieving a specific meta field. I will type a new function const get meta field is equal to a sync function, and here I will pass the meta field ID, and arrow function. Next, try catch block console.log errors, and in try block we will type const field await Shopify.Metafield and dot get and we will pass the Metafield ID. And once we get that, we will console.log get Metafield, and we will pass the field here. So let's name it Metafield, copy this variable, paste it, and add the comma as well. So let's run this function, get Metafield, and we need a Metafield ID. Let's copy this one and go back here and type node.app.js. Okay, we have the specific Metafield value over here. As you can see, let's try to get this Metafield. Save this and run the file again. And now we have this Metafield value. Okay, next we will update the Metafield. So let's copy this function and paste that over here. And to update the Metafield, we need to have a update Metafield function, and we need a Metafield ID. And here we will type update, and we need to pass the Metafield ID as well as the new Metafield value. That will be value would be extra large, and type would be single. Let me copy that from here. Single line text string. Okay, we need these two values. So let's run this function, update the Metafield, and let me just clear this node.app.js. And now you can see we have newly updated Metafield extra large, because we set the value extra large. Let's change that again, extra large or extra small, and run this file again. Okay, next we are going to delete the Metafield. So comment this and clear this, and just copy this function and paste that over here and name it delete Metafield, and we will change the function delete, and let's remove this object and copy this function and change the function name, and now run node.app.js, and you can see we have empty Metafield. It means our Metafield is deleted. So this is complete CRUD function about the Metafields. You can test this in your projects, and if you need any help related to Shopify projects, you can contact me through Fiverr or Upwork. And thank you for watching.